My name is Bobby Smith, and I'm the Director of Financial Aid here at Western Illinois University. And I would like to review with you how to access and utilize our net price calculator. The net price calculator is a tool that you can utilize to calculate your estimated financial aid offer, as well as your estimated cost to attend WIU. So the net price calculator can be found on our website, which is wiu.edu/FA for financial aid. When you get to our website, you can click on the purple bar at the top and you can select net price calculator. When you select the net price calculator, it will open in this screen and you can either log in using your WIU credentials or you can continue as a guest. So you can continue as a guest either through this hyperlink or this link. So I'm just going to continue as a guest. So the net price calculator asks you for a series of demographic information. So it pre-fills some of the information based on, relevant information like state residency. So if any of that needs to be changed, you will make those applicable changes. So I'm going to enter in some relevant information to the net price calculator. You don't need to fill any of this out. None of it's required, but it will help to calculate your package more accurately, your financial aid package. So the more information you can provide, the more accurate the information will be. So this family information is information from your FAFSA. So when you filled out your FAFSA, you would have been asked to provide your household information, the number in college, your parents' marital status, if both of your parents are working. These are supplemental questions. So if you're transferring to WIU, if you've had a parent or grandparent graduate from WIU, or if your parent is a WIU employee. So I'm going to press yes to this one. And then on the financial information, if you have filed your 2022-23 FAFSA or your 2023-24 FAFSA, which are both open at studentaid.gov, you would have received a student aid report, and on that student aid report is your expected family contribution, also known as an EFC. So if you have that student aid report, you can put in your expected family contribution, and that information will help, again, drive your financial aid package more accurately. So I'm going to put in that my expected family contribution is $2,500. This information, again, is not required. So if you don't want to put your information, you can select do not share my information. You scroll to the bottom and you hit submit, and then it will calculate your net price. So what it will do is it will give you your estimated cost for the 2023-24 academic year. So it will estimate the cost and it will also estimate your financial aid. So in this situation, the student is getting a Pell Grant, a MAP grant, a commitment scholarship, a Justice, Inclusion, Diversity, and Equity scholarship, and it totals that, and then it gives you that estimated out-of-pocket or net direct cost. So this student will have enough financial aid to cover all but $26 of their cost. And then it goes down and it continues that estimate, and it includes federal direct loans into that package. If you have any questions about this offer, you can call the financial aid office at 309-298-2446. You can email us at financial-aid@wiu.edu, or you can visit our website at wiu.edu to learn more about the individual grants and scholarships that we offer here at WIU. Thank you. Have a good day.